The order on the bail petition of Disha Ravi has been reserved till Tuesday. Disha Ravi is currently in judicial custody in connection with the toolkit case. Let's go across to Arvind Gunasekar for more on this. Arvind, give us the details of the arguments put forth by the Delhi police and Disha's lawyer.
The Delhi court has reserved its order on the bail plea of Disha Ravi, who was arrested on February 13th in connection with the sedition case linked to a toolkit. Disha Ravi had moved this bail plea before the Sessions Court in Delhi Patiala House Court after she was sent to 3 days of judicial custody. Opposing her bail plea, senior advocate and also the additional solicitor general Raju, who appeared for Delhi police, said that Disha Ravi has in fact tampered with the investigation, tampered with the evidences. He tried to delete the contents of her WhatsApp messages, and at this particular point of time the investigation is still at a preliminary stage, and if she is enlarged out on bail, then she might try to tamper with the evidence, and that's why Delhi police vehemently opposed, saying that she should not be released on bail. The Delhi police also argued, saying that it is Disha Ravi who created a WhatsApp group called International Farmer Strike on January 11th, and in that particular WhatsApp group several people also joined that, and she was also in touch with two individuals named Mo Daliwal and also Anita Lal. Both of them were supposed to be the founders of Poetic for Justice, which is an organization, according to the Delhi police, in support of Khalistani movement. And they also said that Disha Ravi is one of the editor, and also she also drafted the content of the toolkit, and it is she who shared this particular toolkit with Greta Thunberg, which was uploaded by Greta Thunberg on her Twitter. So all these were the allegations that were put forward by Delhi police. So while hearing this argument, the court had asked and intervened and asked a question, specific question, several times to the Delhi police, asking that whether Delhi police has got any evidence to directly link Disha Ravi with the alleged violence that happened on January 26, for which the Delhi police said that Disha Ravi is very well part of the conspiracy. Maybe she is part of the planning of the conspiracy. Maybe the executors must have executed this particular conspiracy on January 26 in Delhi. And the Delhi police also made it clear that Disha Ravi was not physically present on 26 in Delhi. So taking that as a point, as a ground, her lawyers made it very clear. So far around 149 people have been arrested for alleged violence that happened on January 26, but not even one has any direct connection with Disha Ravi. So making this as their argument, saying that Disha Ravi in fact shared this particular document toolkit with Greta Thunberg, but that is only to support the farmers' protest, but she has no connection with Khalistani movement whatsoever. So after hearing both the sides' argument, the court has reserved the order for Tuesday.